I'm here to introduce you to our Belmont Forum project. You have a great team of researchers trying to understand how green and blue infrastructure impact water, food and energy in cities, particularly trying to understand the innovative initiatives that use green and blue infrastructure to provide quality of life for the citizens.
To support cities to adapt to climate change and to tackle some of the economic and social challenges we are facing. For example, urban agriculture and the relation with the Food-Water-Energy Nexus, helping and supporting cities to provide affordable food for its citizens, taking advantage of existing vacant land, where you can have food production, and also the engagement of the community with these kind of activities have interesting benefit in their integration in the society, and also can potentially bring economic benefits from the revenue of selling this food.
A definition of innovation that we're coming to as a group is something new that enables action or problem solving on food, water, or energy issues. I think it provides a different perspective that we're not often hearing and has been a neglected area so far in a lot of food, water, and energy scholarship and attention. And we can really learn a lot from these really case-based examples. And I think one thing that's coming out strongly for me in each of these 8 cities, or a large portion of them, is that the innovation is somehow tied to, at its core, a deeper social issue, and that's even the motivating factor for initiating or continuing a lot of these.
So we've got a few case studies that we're examining, looking at Dodoma in Tanzania, Antananarivo in Madagascar, Lilongwe in Malawi, Johannesburg in South Africa, Gantok and Nagpur in India, and Florianopolis and São José de Campos in Brazil. And the idea is that each of these showcase different types of interactions, both with different green and blue infrastructures, and with different aspects of food, water, energy. And what's been interesting so far is to see the motivation about why people are choosing to look at an integrated approach. So are they coming in for a poverty alleviation approach? Are they coming in for a resource productivity approach? Are they coming in because they want to demonstrate the value of nature in solving social issues? So each of these motivations is really important to unpack and understand how you can convince local governments to invest in nexus or systems approaches.
A huge question is, how do we build these cities of tomorrow? And it's very clear that we cannot build them using ideas and technologies from the 17th or 15th century. We really have to think about how the natural resources within and around the city can help us mitigate some of the negative environmental impacts, as well as help us adapt to other environmental and global change impacts. So I'm hopeful that what we're learning here and in other cities in this project will help inform the growing cities of tomorrow.